Hello and welcome to my unboxing of the Outdoor Edge Game Processor complete 12-piece portable butchering set. This is the front of the box that houses the game processor. Let's take a look at a portion of the front of the box that houses the Outdoor Edge game processor. Here we are able to see the items that are contained inside the box. After inspecting the back of the box, which is visible here, we are exposed to many products offered by Outdoor Edge. Outdoor Edge offers several knife sets for various applications, as well as DVDs instructing one how to properly process game animals. This portion of the box also references a TV program entitled Love of the Hunt, which is quite entertaining and informative. We'll now turn our attention to the box's contents. Opening the lid of the display box reveals the hard side carry case, which contains the various pieces of the Outdoor Edge game processor. The rugged outdoorsman will appreciate the solid construction of the hard side carry case, which protects the components of the Outdoor Edge game processor. Let's take a look inside of the hard side carry case and check out the various pieces of the Outdoor Edge game processor. After lifting the lid of the hard side carry case, you'll notice a portion of the knives as well as the very handy cutting board that I'm certain will be a real knife saver. Here's a quick glance at both the top and bottom portions of the hard side carry case. The top portion of the hard side carry case holds the following items. You will find the 3-inch caping knife helpful when you need to provide your taxidermist with enough hide to prepare your trophy mount for the wall. The 4 1/4-inch gut hook skinner enables you to safely and effectively open up your big game animal as well as remove the skin from the tasty meat. The 5 1/2-inch boning fillet knife is used to remove the bones from the meat of your big game animal and to slice those mouth-watering fillets from your fish of choice. Up to this point, this is the only knife I've had an occasion to use. My family and I went fishing the other day and caught some nice-sized largemouth bass and crappie. My filleting of the fish was effortless with this knife, as I felt like I was cutting through butter with a regular table knife. The 8-inch Bowie style butcher knife is used to cut those succulent steaks from the meat of your big game animal. The Tungsten Carbide V-Sharpener makes the job much easier by keeping your knife sharp for optimal cutting. The bottom portion of the hard side carry case is home to these items. The game shears will enable you to cut through the hide of your big game animal with ease. The 10-inch wood bone saw will help you cut plenty of firewood for your campfire, as well as cut through the bones of your big game animal to aid in speedy processing. The carving fork will help you keep a firm grip on choice portions of your big game animal to assist you as you slice your steaks. The Ribcage Spreader is a handy item you'll use to make the field dressing process a whole lot easier. And last, but definitely not least, game cleaning gloves to keep your hands clean. The Outdoor Edge Game Processor complete 12-piece portable butchering set was a Christmas gift to me from my parents. Other than my use of the 5.5-inch boning fillet knife to fillet some largemouth bass and crappie my family and I recently caught, I haven't had a real opportunity to put the game processor to the test, but I'm looking forward to being able to do so. Over the years, I've harvested and processed enough white-tailed deer that I believe I can spot a great set of knives when I see one. Thank you for stopping by my channel and checking out my unboxing of the Outdoor Edge Game Processor complete 12-piece portable butchering set. Happy hunting and fishing.